Hey everyone, it's Mark Skipper Mark, and today is day 3 of Matt rebuilding the 305 engine in his 1985 IROC Camaro. If you haven't seen any of the previous videos, I have a link above and in the description below. At the end of yesterday's video, Matt couldn't find his harmonic balancer puller. He never found it and we had to go buy a new one, so that's the first thing he's going to remove today. They're not too expensive, but if you don't want to buy one, most auto stores rent them. The harmonic balancer is quite heavy, so make sure you're ready to catch it once it's loose. Next to come off was the oil pan. After that, he removed the timing chain cover, which might be stuck in place and requires some prying. Finally, he removed the fuel pump pushrod. When Matt tried to remove the timing chain, it was stuck, so to keep it from falling off, he left a screw in it and whacked it with a plastic mallet. It came right off after that. Next, it was time to remove the camshaft. Normally, it can be pulled out using the timing chain bolts, but it was so stuck that Matt put the timing chain gear back on and used that for some additional leverage. After removing the camshaft, he rotated the engine on the stand and removed the oil pump, which is mounted near the crankshaft. He doesn't plan to replace the main bearing, but he wanted to check to make sure it was good. It's actually a two-piece, whatever that means. He also checked the rod bearings, and they were fine as well. With all that done, we're at the end of day 3. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer as best I can. As always, thanks for watching, and have a great day.